Yo, what's happening YouTube? So today, I'm going to begin a new series with you guys that I'm going to call
Epic Doublespeak with Dan!
Where I will make epic videos to help you guys learn new words to describe similar things. So words with similar meanings are called
Synonyms.
So, what's today's word?
Awesome!
As in, I have a totally awesome skateboard. So, what words are synonyms for
Awesome, epic, ream, cool, peng, amazing, poggers, brilliant, great, astonishing, extraordinary, phenomenal, remarkable, impressive, smashing, striking, incredible, marvellous.
So yeah, comment below if you want me to make a video for another word you'd like synonyms for, and I'll be sure to make that happen for you dudes. And as a thank you, you'll get a shout out in my next video for helping me with the idea if I do it. If you enjoyed my video, please like and sub for more, and be sure to follow me on Tumblr at itsdan. Thanks for watching, you are totally awesome.